Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this delicious lemon pepper chicken wing dinner as well as my Aldi haul. So I went to Aldi's yesterday, and these are the items that I got. And I love Aldi because it's super cheap. So I go there a lot. So I'm going to start with my produce. The spinach was 99 cents, which was shocking because like Kroger and all the other stores, they're like $3.49 a bag. And today they were 99 cents in Kroger. I got a bag of green beans. I got some cucumbers, English cucumbers, and I got some cherries. I love cherries. This is the only one I can eat. The darker ones, I think I'm allergic. I don't know, but I love those cherries. I have cherry tomatoes. I have strawberries and raspberries. I've been trying to eat a lot more healthier than usual. And it's been helping my blood pressure as well. You guys know I'm an online influencer, so I also make desserts. So I did buy sugar. And that's pretty much it for the produce. Now, this Italian sweet cream, oh my God, it is so good in my tea because I drink tea sometimes in the evenings. So I make chai tea and I sweeten it with the Italian sweet cream in the tea. So you guys should try that. It's really, really good. And I got it from Aldi. I got some sweet tea for my husband. He loves sweet tea. I have carrots, lemons. These are the spices I got today. Right here, I have mini mozzarella balls, which I'm going to be putting in a salad later on this week. These are the spices I got this time. I got tagine, some garlic herb, some Tony's, and everything but the bagel seasoning. And yeah, that's the spices I got today. Ignore the potatoes back there. They were cheap, so I got them. I know. Go ahead and judge me. I don't care. Moving on. This is the sausage I got. I try to get the better versions of sausage. I don't skimp when it comes to buying hot dogs and sausages because I don't know what's in the other stuff. Now, those are good for like in the midweek when I'm busy or tired. I just cook it up with some peppers and keep it moving, keep it simple. I got some dish soap and wipes for the kitchen counters, and these are the snacks, and that's it. So now we're on to the chicken wings that I just bought. They're washed and pat dry, and these are the spices I'll be using today, which is lemon pepper, Tony's, and garlic herb. My lemon pepper seasoning will be back in stock in a few weeks, so make sure you guys subscribe and turn your notification bells on because everything will be back in stock pretty soon. So you want to season your chicken liberally. Season the chicken. Don't be scared. If it's still pale and don't look like nothing, keep on pouring. Pour until your ancestors say stop. I always tell y'all that if you don't hear the voice in the back of your head telling you to stop, that means you didn't add enough. So keep on going, okay? So you want to pour your spices, mix it up, and then I'm going to bake it off. Once again, don't judge me because I didn't have no baking pan. So I'm using this big old skillet, this oven-safe skillet. And this is how my wings look. Now I have butter here and lemon slices just to bring it on home and add more flavor. I'm going to start adding my lemon slices like in between the wings and stuff. If your lemon slices can't fit in between your wings, then just put them on top. It's no big deal. And I'm going to add it. This was about a half a lemon and I just cut it really thin. Next, I'm going to add butter on top of each wing. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to cover this up tightly. You want to cover it so it can make its own juice. So I'm going to allow it to cook covered in the oven on 400 degrees for 35 minutes. Do not open the oven. Do not look at the oven. Leave the oven alone. Okay, this is how it should look. I also have parchment paper on it there. I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. After 35 minutes, this is how it looks. And this is the parchment paper right here that I was telling you guys about. I don't just put foil on top of the meat. I always put a barrier. And this is how it looks. And yes, after 35 minutes. So now all I'm going to do is scoop up the buttery chicken juice goodness and scoop it all over the chicken. Pop it back in the oven on 400 for another 25 minutes and let it continue to cook. Next, we're going to work on the first side, which is sauteed spinach. I have carrots, onions, a lot of garlic, half of a bell pepper, and some seasonings, and a bag of spinach. And I don't know, I don't like plain spinach. I usually just add lots more vegetables to it, adds more body to it, more flavor, and so that's why I add all these other ingredients. But it can be optional if you don't want it. So the shredded carrots, peppers, onions, garlic, you want to saute that down for about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm adding my garlic herb seasoning and some Tony's, and that's it. I'm not doing the most. You don't need to do the most anyway. This thing has onions, garlic, butter. There's flavor in the pot already, and you don't want to over salt your vegetables and over season it anyway. The wings have enough going on. Next, I'm going to empty the entire bag of spinach right down in the pot. And after about 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. And it's great. I love it. It's my favorite way to cook spinach. And, it goes a long way when you add all those other vegetables. Y'all know spinach cook all the way down, child. These are the wings right here once they're done. As you can see, the liquid reduced after another 30 minutes, uncovered, and the chicken got nice and browned. So now I'm going to plate it up. I got some mashed potatoes here. Yep, the same bagged potato that you saw in my haul video, in my haul clip earlier in the video. And now I'm just going to add my wings. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Simple, easy dinner. It was so good, lemony, delicious, and super flavorful. If you try it, tag me. Let me know what you think. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.